How to save screenshot as PDF on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can save screenshot as PDF on iPhone. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now without any further ado, let's dive right in. First of all, let's take a screenshot. To take a screenshot, press on the power button and the volume up button together, and you will have a screenshot like that. Then you can head over to the Photos app to view your screenshot. So locate your Photos app and then open it up. After you're on your Photos app, you can then select the screenshot that you want to convert to the PDF. And after you've done that, press on the share icon on the bottom left, a square with an arrow pointing up. Then after you'll need to scroll down in the share sheet and tap on print. So there you can see print option, tap on print. After you tap on print, now this has basically been changed into an PDF. So in the print preview section, which is this right here, you can simply pinch in with 2 fingers in the image to zoom in. Now there you can see this is now a PDF. Now it has been converted to a PDF. And after you've done that, tap on the share icon again at the bottom left. And you can then press save to files. My bad. Let's do that again. Save to files. Select a location and then save. And after you've saved it, you can then select your Files app. And then check out the recent PDF. And there you can see. Its name is only a photo, but if you tap on the name, you can see it's a PDF document. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye.